Halls sugar-free cough drops, honey lemon, 180 cough drops. Halls are made to quickly relieve sore, scratchy throats from colds or allergies. Halls fights colds, soothes sore throats, and cools nasal passages. Use of fast relief of Halls is a complement to your allergy medication during allergy season when pollen, grass, and trees can trigger irritating coughs and scratchy sore throats. Enjoy this classic cough suppressant in sugar-free honey lemon flavor. The package includes 180 drops in a flavor-saving bag that you can seal over and over. So if you buy this off of Amazon, it's $17.44, and you should buy them now because they're pretty popular. I'm sure that you've all heard about the popular brand Halls cough drops, so you can buy them in their flavored lemon honey